As a classic ancient building of the Ming Dynasty, Xi'an Tower faces the bell tower from afar, composing the most charming cultural scenery of ancient Chang'an. Grand and solemn in posture, it boasts delicate painted carvings and layered brackets with timeless ancient charm. It once mocked dusk with drum beats, regulating ancient people's daily life and inheriting traditional rituals and folk customs. Standing through centuries, it remains a poetic oriental treasure of the old city.